All right, so what we're going to do is tune the internal feeling of energy. Now, when a person gives me a feed, he's transferring his weight from his feet onto his hands. I transfer that weight down onto my feet. He feels the feet, and then I stretch the fascia out and I come onto my partner. So that's your basic starting point. Then my partner just gives me a line of tension. I touch the line and I relax underneath the line to get the reaction. And then my partner empties the line, then I touch the base, and with no line, then I work the energy with him making his body a rag doll. And then we go back to the feed. He feeds the energy through, I send it through, he gives me a line without a feed, and I come underneath that, and then he makes himself a rag doll, and I catch the energy. Now what you're going to notice is you need more sung progressively as you get less line, less feed. So when he gives me his body weight, I don't need any sung at all inside him to get that cohesion. I just need to put him on a stretch, come underneath and mechanically stretch the fascia. When there's no feed but he gives me tension, then I need to be able to find the base and put enough sung in to connect. And then when there's no line at all and he's a rag doll, then in order for me to catch him, I have to put the sung in. And once I've put the sung in, you have to slip the energy underneath the sung. So I put the sung, now his center's floating, then I put the energy through the sung, and that gives me the cohesion to his mental, astral, physical body to get the issue to work. By going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like this, you're training yourself to always maintain the feeling that you need with an unlinked body, not a linked body. Now, if your partner feeds their whole body weight onto you and you become dependent on sticking to his tension, you'll only be able to influence people who give you tension. But if you work to this place of him having nothing there, and then you running energy underneath to get the float, and then you take that same feeling when he gives you the whole body weight, it compresses your energy field in a very different way to if I'm sticking to his tension and stretching. Now, the benefit I get from sticking to tension and stretching is my facial web gets more connected. I have more conductive pathways for the energy to work through, and you literally get stronger internally. Your facial web thickens, your energy conductivity increases, you have a network of fascia to train. So you need that. But you want to continually transition into this space where your partner's a rag doll, and then you start playing with his energy and getting the yi out and not depend on any type of link through tension lines. It's just a mind to mind energy connection into your partner's body. Then from there, once you've got that, you start working with through the unlinked connection to increase that flow and not depend on any tension lines where it's a mind to mind. And it's a very, very particular feeling. There's a feeling quality that's different to me engaging him through that tensile tension versus me engaging him through pure energy. And so what I want you guys to practice is full body feed. He just gives tension and then he gives you nothing. And the feeling that you use when he gives you nothing, you put that back into the full tension feed and incorporate it through so that it becomes your base feeling. You don't want to be in the state of absorbing his mass through the fascia all the time. That's a beginner's exercise. You want to get yourself working with the feeling of energy and reacting with his tension without you having to put that stretch in underneath to absorb tension. Let your energy do the work. Okay, let's have a play.